Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So Leo, fire sign. Let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo, fire sign. What are the messages for you? Lord of Gods. Eight of Wands, the Moon and the Judgment. The Lovers, the Hermit and Ten of Wands. Under the deck, Knight of Pentacles. Someone is coming back to you. If you are in relationship, if you are in separation, someone is coming back to you. For some it could be a new person, also depends on your situation, but this person is very stable this time. This person want to be with you and this person is very sincere this time. Okay, so let's see your reading in recent past. Eight of Wands, the Moon and Judgment. There was a lot of discussion between you and your person, because Eight of Wands, lots of communication between you and your person back and forth in past. For some it is going between right now also. And the Moon, but there are some disturbances or fighting between you and your person. The Moon, something mysterious in this connection, and you are going to make some decision regarding this relationship. Judgment, it could be a positive, it could be a negative, depends on a situation, but maybe for some it is about your career also, because the Judgment is major decision making. And Eight of Wands, communication and the Moon, some change in your relationship is also. So next present, the Lovers, the Hermit and Ten of Wands. Yeah, because maybe your person hiding something from you, or you may be hiding something from your person. There is something mysterious in this connection. You don't know what to do, because I think you only the person always doing all the work in this connection, because Ten of Wands, you are feeling exhausted. And the Lovers, love is there, but love, I think there is no equal give and take, there is no equal responsibility. That's why you may be undergoing some spiritual awakening. Hermit, you are not going to contact anyone. Present situation, you are feeling overburdened. Maybe this is the reason. For some it could be family or work pressure also. Future, Three of Cups, King of Wands and the Strength. Yeah, there is some celebration. Maybe you are working on yourself and you are taking your power back. You are enjoying yourself. Maybe it is your career success also for some. For some there is a third party situation, not all, very few. And King of Wands and the Strength, you stand by your power. Now you are very grounded, you are working on yourself. See, the Strength and the King of Wands, you overcome this burden and you are transformed like this. But someone is coming back for reconciliation. Knight of Pentacles with Three of Cups, because you isolated from all to meditate or to heal yourself, whatever. But someone is returning. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of fire energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, King of Cups. They want to offer this cup of love to you. So Leo, your person current feelings. Lot of cards. 1 minute. Okay, Eight of Swords it is. Maybe your person feeling stuck. I'm not taking any card because lot of cards are fell down. So let's see your person current feelings. Leo. Maybe for some your person feeling stuck. 5 of Swords, Knight of Swords, and Knight of Cups. Yeah, and 5 of Wands under the deck. Excuse me. So 5 of Swords, Knight of Swords, King of Cups, and 5 of Wands. Yeah, there are some disturbances between you and your person, but still they want to communicate with you. Knight of Swords, they're rushing to communicate towards you. And Knight of Cups, yeah, they have strong emotions for you, Leo, towards you, because Knight of Pentacles and Knight of Cups, they're coming back. And but it is very slow moving energy, because there is a lot of drama. First your person have to overcome all these things, then they will definitely come towards you, but it will take some time, because they are in very slow moving energy and they are thinking about to communicate with you. So let's see the near future actions. Leo, your person near future actions towards you. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles, the Devil, 6 of Cups, and another deck, Queen of Swords. It could be you. You stand by your power, you are very grounded. You deserve best. If they offer best, you will allow them. Otherwise, you don't allow them. Because you are only the person always there for your person in this connection, Leo. So let's see, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely they're willing to come back. And they are obsessed with you. Maybe they are very dominative. There is an on and off connection between you and your person. 6 of Cups, they are thinking about you a lot. For some it could be strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe they're now realizing your worth. They're obsessed with you. They're thinking a lot of thoughts about you. That's why they decided to come back. Knight of Pentacles, 2 times Knight of Pentacles came in this reading. Yeah, maybe they now realizing your worth after the separation. For those who are not in separation, your person really want to take this relationship to next level. Okay, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, the Star, and Page of Wands. Communication, one person is younger than the other person in this connection could be, and 2 of Cups under the deck. Wow, there is mutual love between both of you. Yeah, this could be a soulmate connection. They really want to communicate with you. And the Star, they see you as the star. Yeah, maybe in past they not treated you well. 5 of Pentacles, cold shouldering, and 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment. You also wishing the same, but you are not showing. King of Cups, you also want to offer this cup of love to your person, but maybe you are not showing, because in past maybe they are not treating you well, but they are coming back. Yeah, I already told you they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. Knight of Swords. For some, very few, there could be 2 poses. One could be past and another could be new. Okay, it depends on your situation. But your person rushing to talk towards you, they're rushing really very fast. They are in so much rush, and they're obsessed over you. Okay, they're obsessively thinking about you. And 3 of Wands under the deck. This could be long distance. Maybe they're waiting. It could be you waiting for them to take action towards you. So let's see your overall energy, Leo, for the week. Communication is coming. They will call you very soon. 4 of Cups. You are also feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. You are also feeling stuck. You want this happiness with your person, and here they're coming. Wow. So let's see your person overall energy, Leo. Ten of Wands, the Lovers, the Magician, and King of Cups. See, they are manifesting you back in their life. They really want to offer their cup of love to you. Lovers, love is there. And 10 of wands, maybe right now your person may be busy in their work, maybe they are feeling overburdened due to family responsibilities or work pressure, but they are coming back. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. You are very close to achieving your goal. So this is the message for you, Leo. If you are doing any hard work for your goals, be consistent, do hard work, because you are very close to achieving your goal. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.